Hello traders, in this video I want to speak about BTCUSD and I will make a technical analysis on this pair starting from higher time frame. So if we take a look at BTC price, we can see that for the past 3 months now, our price has been bearish as we can see after price formed this distribution stage here as we all know. After that, we had this massive push to the downside and we also had a pullback to $67,251 level and price continued its downward move, reaching the lowest point of 57,000. Okay, so around that 57,000, we started seeing a rebound and price started pulling back. Okay, so that's what we see from the 1 hour chart. So the 3 months data we have here showed that price was previously bearish, but right now we are finding a support at 57,000, and that support is what's giving rise to this pullback because price is currently trading at $24,109 level. So that is what we see from the 1 hour chart. So if we now take a look at the current trend in the market and we decide to look at the 30 minutes time frame, we can see that from the 30 minutes time frame we have this inclined trend here or this bullish trend, okay, denoted with this trend line that we just put in here. So from here price has been pushing up. We are seeing a high, a higher low, another high, a pullback to that trend line, another new high that was just formed recently this month. Price made this pullback and also respected that trend line. You can see that each time there is a pullback, that trend line is always respected. So that's what happened recently, and price pushed up, rejecting the trend line. So that is a clear indication that we're in a bullish trend when we look at this 30 minutes time frame. Right now, price has just bounced off of the trend line and is currently trading at 64,000. $99 level, which from here I anticipate more bullish price action to develop away from this market. Okay, so the 30 minutes time frame is showing us a prevailing bullish trend. So since we are now seeing a prevailing bullish trend, that means that there is every good probability of seeing price reach this $67,000 level, which is a previous pullback resistance that we had in this market. Okay, so we can denote that level as a pullback, and that's where I anticipate price to get to. Okay, we are going to see a bullish price action development away from the current market price. So let's now go to our trading time frame, which is where we are looking forward to gaining our entry. So let's look at the 5 minutes chart. Now, here from the 5 minutes chart, I simply did a couple of things. I identified a continuation pattern and also entry model that I use anytime I apply a pattern strategy. So what's the pattern? We are all familiar with this pattern here. This is a wedge pattern. Okay, this is a wedge pattern. And after price broke out of the wedge pattern, we waited for price to hold so that we can gain our entry. Because anytime price breaks out, I usually wait for a moment that it will hold for me to gain my entry. So this is the wedge pattern. You can see how price has been hovering inside of that wedge pattern, and then it finally broke to the upside. So after the breakout is now when I decided to wait for opportunity for me to buy. So we've had a breakout around this area here. So the previous wedge pattern formation, which is a continuation pattern, has been broken to the upside, and this is now opportunity for me to buy. So if I zoom in this chart here, you can see that for a couple of hours, for like about for like 16 hours now, price has been ranging around that level, and that range is showing me that orders are being accumulated for price to push to the upside. So as the orders are being accumulated, I now had to look at the nature of price action recently, just about an hour ago, and I realized that price pushed up, pulled back, pushed higher again, retraced, and right now is trying to make a bullish move. So this is a confirmation that yes, now we can then make that buy entry, and I've just entered, and my stop loss is just at this low here, this multiple low. Okay, so we can see that price rejected here, here, and each time it pulls back, it holds. Each time it pulls back, it holds. We can see this recent pullback and it is still holding price. So that is just a level where I put my stop loss. And in regards to my take profit level, I am using this $67,000 level as my take profit level. So this is a potential trade of 1 is to 13 risk to reward ratio. So it's a potential opportunity on BTC USD. So this is a good time to buy. Thanks for watching.